Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. New version of you. While gazing and seeing utter perfection from the mile, I now see incompletion and disguises. What was once a certainty is today a distant memory. I just let it all be while learning from the depth of my being. I do not repeat as I focus on the new version of you. For you have taught me again and again, and now I have what I need to bring you home. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of 3 things you are grateful for right now. I am grateful for Danny G's poems. I am very grateful to be able to read, and I'm grateful for all the social medias to be able to distribute what we're doing. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.